Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of portable storage solutions with the SanDisk 4TB Extreme Portable SSD. Now, if you're like me and you're constantly on the move, whether it's for work, travel, or creative pursuits, having reliable storage that can keep up with your pace is absolutely essential. Enter the SanDisk 4TB Extreme Portable SSD. This little powerhouse of a drive packs a punch with its impressive features. First off, let's talk speed. With read speeds of up to 1050 megabytes per second, and write speeds that match, you can say goodbye to frustratingly slow file transfers. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos or transferring large batches of photos, this SSD handles it all with ease. But speed isn't the only thing that matters, right? Durability is equally important, especially if you're someone who's always on the go. That's where the SanDisk Extreme SSD truly shines. With its IP65 water and dust resistance rating, this drive can handle whatever life throws at it. Whether you're caught in a sudden rainstorm or working in a dusty environment, your data remains safe and secure. Now, let's talk about design. The SanDisk Extreme SSD sports a sleek, rugged design that's built to withstand the rigors of travel. It's compact enough to slip into your pocket or bag, yet sturdy enough to withstand accidental drops and bumps. Plus, with its integrated carabiner loop, you can easily attach it to your backpack or belt loop for added convenience. Another standout feature of the SanDisk Extreme SSD is its compatibility. Whether you're a Mac user or a PC enthusiast, this drive has you covered. It features both USB-C and USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity options, ensuring seamless compatibility with a wide range of devices. And let's not forget about security. With the SanDisk SecureAccess software, you can password protect your files and keep your sensitive data safe from prying eyes. It's peace of mind, knowing that your personal and professional files are protected wherever you go. Last but not least, let's talk about peace of mind. SanDisk stands behind their products with a solid warranty and top-notch customer support. So you can rest easy knowing that if you ever encounter any issues, help is just a phone call away. So there you have it, folks. The SanDisk 4TB Extreme Portable SSD is not just a storage solution, it's a companion for your digital lifestyle. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, designer, or just someone who values their data, this SSD has everything you need to keep your files safe, secure, and accessible wherever life takes you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech reviews and updates.